Hi guys, I'm Silverwolf, and this is my second video I'm actually doing on this topic. The first time I got it wrong. To get these two Furbies to talk to each other, I thought you had to press the heart gems until they activated Furdar, and then press one of the heart gems again. That is not how you do it. What you actually do is you press the heart gems until they activate Furdar, and then press the head of whichever one you want to lead the conversation. And I don't know why, it was a bit stupid really, it just never occurred to me, and it was a silly mistake and everyone's correcting me on it, so this is a video that shows everyone how to do it correctly. So if anyone else like me gets stuck on it, you'll know what to do.
How goes it? Oh yeah, to the Furby. Furby activated. Lulu, Lulu. What type of bow can't be tied? Not sure. A rainbow. Watty, Watty. Do 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 do. Lulu, Lulu. What is Cat's favorite color? Here it comes. Purple. Watty, Watty. Do 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 do. Lulu, Lulu. What type of bow can't be tied? I don't know. A rainbow! Wow. Lulu, Lulu. What is Cat's favorite color? I don't know. Purple! Wow. Watty, Watty. Do 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 do. Lulu, Lulu. Okay, so why did Furby cry? Here it comes. Furby was feeling blue. Watty, Watty. Do 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 do. Lulu, Lulu. Okay. What did Ivy say to the grass? Not sure. Ka is green with envy. Watty, Watty. Do 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 do. I love you.
And you can see one of them decided not to talk.
Tell Furby.
That's the end of the conversation. But that is how you do it. So now you know.
Nice choice.
So if you enjoyed this video, you can click either of the boxes that come up below to see more Furby videos, or you can check me out on Etsy and New Monday. The links are in the description. I make plushies and commissions and do artwork and stuff. Or if you enjoy what I do, you can buy me a coffee on Ko-fi. It all helps. So that's all for this video. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep being awesome. This is Silverwolf signing off.